Yeah, man.
World boss.
Shenseea.
Some people travel the world
Looking for paradise.
to find mine already.
My favorite place is right beside you. Every little moment feels brand new. My favorite place, no matter where we go, as long as I'm with you, I already know. Yeah, girl, from the first day you catch me attention. Every conversation feel like perfection. When the world get loud, you bring peace and calm. When me hold you close, everything feel warm. No expensive view can compare to this. Every time you smile, me remember bliss. Me no need no map, me no need no guide. Cause my favorite place is right by your side. Every sunset, every sunrise feels a little brighter looking through your eyes. My favorite place is right beside you. Every little moment feels brand new. My favorite place, no matter where we go, as long as I'm with you, I already know.
Boy, you make the ordinary feel extraordinary. Every memory we make feels legendary. When you hold my hand, I don't need much more. You became the answer I've been searching for.
Even when the rain falls, even when sky's gray, you somehow find a way to brighten every day.
One love,
One art,
one journey,
one star.
one star.
No matter where life may lead, you are everything I need.
From Kingston city lights to the ocean waves, every road we travel create better days. Life move fast, but this feeling stay. Every single morning me choose you every day. No matter what tomorrow brings,
One thing remains true: the best place in this world will always be with you. My favorite place is right beside you. Every little moment feels brand new. My favorite place, no matter where we go, as long as I'm with you, I already know. My favorite place, through every season too. The only place me want will always be with you. My favorite place, forever and always. My favorite place. Yeah.
world boss.
Sheanseea,
Some people travel the world,
looking for paradise.
they find mine already.
My favorite place is right beside you. Every little moment feels brand new. My favorite place, no matter where we go, as long as I'm with you, I already know. Girl, from the first day you catch me attention. Every conversation feel like perfection. When the world get loud, you bring peace and calm. Hold you close, everything feel warm. No expensive view can compare to this. Every time you smile, I remember bliss. Me no need no map, me no need no guide. Cause my favorite place is right by your side. Every sunset, every sunrise feels a little brighter looking through your eyes. Oh, my favorite place is right beside you. Every little moment feels brand new. My favorite place, no matter where we go, as long as I'm with you, I already know. Boy, you make the ordinary feel extraordinary. Every memory we make feels legendary. When you are my end, I don't need much more. You became the answer I've been searching for. Even when the rain falls, even when sky's gray, you somehow find a way to brighten every day.
One love,
One heart,
one journey.
one star. No matter where life may lead,
You are everything I need.
oh,
From Kingston city lights to the ocean waves, every road we travel create better days. Life move fast, but this feeling stay. Every single morning me choose you every day.
no matter what tomorrow brings, one thing remains true: the best place
ways.